Thread a rubber band through a bottle cap, but if it doesn't fit, try this trick. Thread a string through the rubber band like this, then use the string to pull the rubber band through the bottle cap. So the rubber band has wrapped neatly around the bottle cap. Tie a string around this burlap sack. Thread the string like this and tie a very tight and quick knot. Very certain, right? Thread the string through a metal ring and tie it like this. It might not be secure, so try again. Thread it through one more time, then tie the string here for a very secure knot. This wrench doesn't fit the bolt. Find another way. Thread some nuts and use this tool to quickly tighten the bolt. This little tip is useful and convenient. The chain is placed here. Use a stick to separate the chain links like this. Then, place bolts between the chain links, creating a convenient hinge for a door. Place the hammer in the middle like this. Use a string to wrap around the hammer handle. Now, tie the string tightly and cut off the excess. With a piece of a bottle, cut off the top. Thread it through a wooden stick, screw it in place, and saw off the excess plastic. Attach a bottle cap here, then attach a brush head and the wooden stick. Now a homemade brush is ready. Start with a pair of pliers. Begin by marking the spot where you need to cut. Position the pliers carefully at the marked location and make the cut. Once you've cut through, remove the head of the pliers. Next, take a foam tube and insert a nut into it. Attach this setup to the wall in the desired location. This creates a handy tool holder. For a wooden plank, measure it carefully to fit the metal bar precisely. Mark the metal bar according to the measurements. Cut both ends of the metal bar to ensure it fits perfectly. Attach the metal bar securely to the wooden plank, using screws to reinforce its stability. If you find that wooden pieces don't fit well with a pipe, you can correct this by using a measuring tool to get accurate dimensions. Mark the wood accordingly and make the necessary cuts. Continue marking around in a circular pattern, making sure the wood fits snugly. When dealing with the cord of a saw, it can often get messy and unravel easily. To avoid this, coil the cord neatly and securely. For connecting electrical wires, insert a connector into the tool and crimp it. To ensure a more secure connection, push the connector deep into place. Thread it through once more, and then crimp it again. Finally, take a string and thread it through a roll of tape. Tie the string tightly and cut off any excess. This setup allows you to use the string to cut the tape easily and quickly. Take a strip of tape and attach it here, then punch 2 holes in it. Next, stick the tape onto a piece of wood, drill through, and then secure it with screws. Attach the metal plate to the wood, ensuring it is firmly in place. Start by drilling into a round piece of plastic. Thread an electrical wire through it, and connect it to the junction. Attach the plastic piece here. It can be used for lighting purposes. Instead of using a knife, cut the wire more smartly by using pliers. Pinch the wire at the junction like this, then pull it out. This method is efficient and effective. For these 2 ends of the pipe, use 2 elastic bands. Cut a plastic bottle in half, then attach the bottle's body between the 2 pipe ends. Inflate the bottle's body to shrink it and securely connect the 2 pipe ends together. You see, removing this plastic pipe from the machine can be very difficult. Thread a string through a wrench, then insert the string into the pipe. Use the wrench to pry the plastic pipe off the machine. Now, remove the screws like this. Insert a metal rod, and use the rod to detach the tool from the machine. For a plastic bottle with a broken handle, cut off the handle. Replace it with a piece of string, cleverly tied to serve as a new handle. 4.0 Mini.